Money Academy.
You're about to learn one of the simplest ways to make money online today. I'm going to show you a website that will pay you dollars for every 2 minutes of work, but there is a catch. This will not work for those who are too lazy to even watch the entire video. So if you really want to make money online, you must follow each and every step shown in this video because this is completely free. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. And it works all around the world, so let's get started with the video tutorial. The first step for you is to go to google.com regardless of the device you're using, whether it's a mobile phone, tablet, computer, or laptop, as long as you have an internet connection. I want you to go to Google, and that will be your first tab because, as always, I will explain everything in detail step by step so that anyone can follow along with me during this video, because as soon as the video ends, if you've followed all of the steps, you will be ready to go out there and start making money. So I want to complete each and every step that I show you. So for now, go over to google.com. The second step you'll need to take while on Google is to search for a keyword called Capterra. I want you to search for this, Capterra, and just press search. And now I want you to open up this first website that says Top Software at Capterra. Software and software reviews, and this is what you'll see as soon as you land on Capterra.com. This is a place and a tool, a platform that is willing to pay you to write different reviews for software and programs. Now don't worry, you don't have to buy that software. You don't even have to use them. You can literally get the work done in less than 2 minutes. And as always, as I said, I'm going to explain exactly how to do that in less than 2 minutes. Now you can see that you can browse over 800 different categories. So software and programs for over 800 different categories. And within each category, you have hundreds of different software that you can review. So all the products that are online right now, you can review them and you can get paid $20 for every 5 minutes of work. Now, if you stay with me, I'll show you how to complete that in less than 2 minutes and how to make over $10 again and again without having to buy the software for yourself. All while showing that this actually works and that others are making money with this website. You can see that they are proud to offer over 1 million verified software reviews. And you can simply do the math to see how much money people made with Capterra.com. You may be wondering why they would pay you $20 for every 5 minutes that you work. And the response is that the software owner, the product owner, is willing to pay that much money because having more 5-star reviews and positive feedback creates social proof for them and allows them to make a lot more sales. So it's a great return on investment for them, which is why they'll pay you $20 for less than 5 minutes of work. The third step for you is to click right here where it says to write a review, which will take you to the next page where you can find thousands of different companies and thousands of different products that you can review and write a review for. And you can search for those products and company names. As I stated earlier, when someone wants to buy a software or a digital product, they will most likely go online and search to learn more about it, to see what other people are saying about the product, and if the reviews are good, they will be more likely to buy the software or the product, which is why Capterra is willing to pay you. If you think that's powerful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell. Alright, as you can see, you can review all of these popular products that other professionals are using. These are just a few of the most popular softwares that you can review. But there are literally thousands and thousands of other softwares that you can write a review about and make money. So there will definitely be no shortage of ways to make money with Capterra.com. And now if you go to browse categories, you'll be able to see thousands and thousands of different categories of software that you can open up. With anything from business-related software to customer service software to data collection software to email software and so on and so forth. And each of those which you review, you will make real money from each of the reviews for each software. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of potential just on this website alone. Now let's say, for example, you want to review the QuickBooks software. Well, rather than just clicking on it and going straight into writing the review, here's a really useful tip which will save you a lot of time and effort, and that is to copy the actual software title, copy the software name, go back to Google, and look for that software review. So a review, of course, search for QuickBooks reviews, and you can get all the different reviews here online from which you can get an idea. So I can look at this link right here and see how other people are doing it, what they said about it, and how they really made their reviews without having to buy it themselves. Of course, you can change the text a little bit to make it your own, but don't copy and paste it. You won't earn any money because that's clearly not going to happen. But you can get an idea from their reviews and what they actually said about the software, which will save you so much time and money since you won't have to spend hours and hours going through the software. Learning about it determines the pros and cons. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on software simply to write a basic review. I'll show a real-life example in a minute so you can get an idea. Spend countless hours and spend countless dollars so you can write a review without really buying the software yourself. Now that you know all of that, let me show you a real-life example of how you will actually complete the review and how you will be paid. So you will come over to this page as I just showed you at the beginning of this video. You will come over to Capterra. You will click on Write a Review that takes you over to this page. You will select whichever company, product, or software you want to review. In this case, I'd like to review the QuickBooks software. Simply click on it, and you'll be sent to the review to write a review page where you'll need to fill out some information about yourself. I'd like you to put your first name, last name, email address, and other basic information. Then it will ask you some additional questions, such as how frequently do you use this software? And I recommend you select an option from daily to weekly, rather than monthly or other, because using monthly or other will imply that you are not using the software frequently enough, and your review will most likely be turned down. So I would recommend going daily. What is your role in using this software? Obviously, you are just a user because you bought the software, which was the first of 3 stages that we needed to complete. Let's move on to the next one. So click the next button right here. Now you'll just need to rate the actual software, the overall value of the software. So what's the overall quality of the software? You can just go back and see what other people said their overall rating for this one was 5 out of 5, and believe me, the better review you write, the more positive the feedback is. It's always better to leave a 5-star review if the software is really good based on other people's reviews. Now you can see whether it was easy to use. You could say maybe 4 for this one, 5, 4, and let's say 5 for this one, even though these are really optional. Now you can rate other features. This is also optional, but the more of them you complete, the higher chances of making money. So if you don't mind, just pick some of these. You don't have to finish them all. After that, you'll choose how the cost for QuickBooks compares to similar goods, and you'll be able to say if it was far too expensive, mid-tier, or not at all. Now, how likely it is that you will recommend this software to a friend or colleague? I would say 9. And the final step is to give your review a title. You may get ideas from other people's reviews. For example, QuickBooks is still the best for small businesses despite its shortcomings. So what I would say is that, for example, QuickBooks has some flaws, but it is still the best for small businesses or something like that. You don't want to just copy and paste the entire title. You can change it a little bit. Now you will write the pros and cons. So what did you like the most about this software? You can get an idea from other people's reviews, just change a little bit. Then this is optional. You can leave it blank. But if you complete it, if you fill out this form as well, you have a better chance, The more forms you fill out, the more details you give them, the more money you will make. Because more people, more software owners will accept your review. So definitely try not to leave all of this blank where it says optional, but actually fill it out and just don't be lazy. Okay? It will surely pay off. Then you can choose whether you switch from another product or not. For example, you could click yes, you did, and then say what product you switched from. For example, you switch from Excel, so I can search for the Excel software right here. I'll scroll down and just tick this box. By submitting this review, I certify to Capterra and its affiliates that I'm the person I represent to be. Obviously, you are if you wrote your real name and last name, and make sure to do that. Make sure to enter your real information, your real name, your real last name, and after that, just click submit and you are done. All of this will take you less than 5 minutes, and you will be paid $20 for just one review. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.